First of all, thank you so much for inviting me. Uh, I'm Bharat Verma. You can say choreographer or event manager Bharat Verma. And I have a company named Heartbeaters in Udaipur as well as in Mumbai. So I started my company long back, before like 15 years. And it took me like 8 to 10 years to set up the entire thing in Udaipur first through royal weddings and fitness classes and other dance activities and events. Then in 2014, I got an opportunity to work with some Bollywood project. The movie came in 2017, and after that, I also introduced my Heartbeaters in Mumbai in Hirandani Pawai. So right now we have studio here in Udaipur as well as in Mumbai. So from my childhood, dance was my inspiration always. I was very much inspired by Michael Jackson sir and Prabhu Deva sir. And when these reality shows came up, like I just focus on my thing, like what I have to achieve. I just focus on that, and yes, I was very much inspired by reality shows also. After that, only the boom in dance and events come up. So this actual requirement of the work in the society that inspired me to do more work and establish my company. So my journey started in 2004. In 2004, my journey started, and that time I was teaching in Udaipur at my studio, and I was working for some small projects for the weddings and Rajasthani albums also. Then in 2011, I got an opportunity to work with a group, with a company from US, and it was kind of culture exchange. And then in 2014, I went to US, New York, to teach Indian Bollywood and other styles, and also I took an opportunity to learn their styles. So I introduced one style in India, body percussion, which is not known, which was not known, and still today it is not so popular, but it's very unique art. In 2016 and 18 also I got the same opportunity to work with this company in New York. Between that, in 2015 I went to India's Got Talent, a reality show, and in 17 I worked for a Bollywood movie, Lucknow Central. So this way my journey started and reached to a perfect path. I don't think I reached my destination yet, but I'm trying my best and learning, teaching. And last year in 2019, I got this opportunity to work with A.R. Rahman sir and Adnan Zamir sir in The Voice on Star Plus. So this is the way my journey is actually still going on. According to me, like I believe in luck, and for me, luck is labor under correct knowledge. So just do labor under correct knowledge, and you will reach your destination. This is the thing which I followed from my whole life. Uh, my main success mantra is to do anything but very perfectly. So it can be a small work or a big event, maybe a small song to choreograph, but perfection is always required. And also, in every field, there is a distraction always. You will get distracted from many things. You have to avoid those distractions, and you have to be on the same path to reach to your destination. So like in any journey, ups and downs are always there. And in my journey it was like each event is a challenge, each project is a challenge, but we have set formulas for that. Like we have way to do the work. Many problems comes up, but we have actual formulas to solve them in our own way. So this is the way we did it. Yes, success always required sacrifices. So if you want to get success in any field, you will have to sacrifice many things. First of all, your family. So you are not able to give enough time to your family. So for me, I get married in 2012, and after that I was actually settling my company in Udaipur that time, and was dealing with many weddings and all. In 2014, 16, 18, I went to US. Then from 16 till 2020, still going on. So I was more into Mumbai. So I also sacrificed, and my family also sacrificed. So a lot of sacrifice is required from the person and his or her family to reach to the actual success point. So people who are working with me in my company, they're already very passionate about dance. So that is the main strength of our company. But we also focus towards the perfection, and we respect stage a lot. So it can be a small stage of a wedding or a big corporate event stage. What we do is we focus on perfection, and we try to make our client very satisfied. So whatever work is assigned to us, we give our soul to make it success. So that is our main strength. There are various services we are offering. So at our studio, we teach various dance styles to kids, to teenagers, and to adults also. But also we have a fitness program, 40 days fitness challenge. So we have created a program named as Fitness with Fun, especially for females. So you just have to come and join our classes for an hour, and we'll be doing some dance workout sessions with you and floor exercises, and it will lead you to good fitness life. Other than that, we are dealing in weddings, especially in wedding choreography, जो musical संगीत nights होती है उसके लिए. So we used to go into the families and we choreograph them and we make them perform on stage in a very creative way. Other than that, we are body percussionists. So we are the only group in India who do body percussion. So we have a lot of work from the country in the corporate line. So we used to give body percussion performances. We take online workshops. Also, before COVID, we used to take one-to-one session of body percussion. In corporate conferences, we used to do engagement ceremonies. We used to engage the clients, the people who are there. So we do drum circle and body percussion activities with them. So there are many things we are offering. For example, I went to US 3 times, as I said. In 2018, I performed in UN, United Nations, for the Youth Assembly. So I did body percussion. I performed body percussion and represented India. And I also taught Bollywood dance on Jai Ho to the crowd. There were people, around 600 people from different 20 countries of the world. And so we make them dance live in like 15-20 minutes. So it was so fun activity for them. And it was a big corporate event. So our work is actually a fun. We enjoy it a lot. We enjoy it a lot. And when we don't work, I used to more spend time with my family and have fun with them. That is fun for me. So I'm very much inspired by Pete Seeger. So he was a folk artist. Like he's no more, but he was in Second World War also. He have written many songs, and he spread peace through his art. So I'm so inspired with him. Okay, so especially for my field, what is required is patience. You will have to learn how to face the failure. Because if you will learn to do such thing, you will able to, like, that experience will teach you many things, and that will lead you to success actually. So if you have patience to be on the same path, facing the failures also, then only you should come in this field. So body percussion is an art in which you create rhythms in your mind and you perform them on your body in form of dance. It's a very unique art. You have to beat yourself to create rhythms, but in form of dance. So body percussion can be done in 2 ways. Like one, you are on stage and you are dancing and creating music with dance, creating rhythm, and one you can sit on a place like I'm sitting right now, and you can do body drumming, and you can accompany with a singer or a guitarist or something. I can show you like a small thing. Like you create this is. Thank you so much for calling me here, and it's such a great pleasure for me to be here and like to talk to you and share my life. And if you have any work related to weddings, or if you want to join dance or dance workout at our studio, so I'm Bharat Verma. You can call me on 9829777201, or you can email me on heartbeaters@gmail.com, HEARTBEATORS @gmail.com. Thank you.